Hello, sir. Do you know how much likes you got? No? It's 35 likes. Oh my god! Hello, everybody. Daily Wealth Sparks weekly update. This week I feel quite motivated, actually. I really like the feeling that I'm doing something right. And like every day I receive likes. I receive at least 100 views per video, and basically every day I receive a subscriber. That's amazing. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Also, one video received record high likes, so now my record is 35 likes per video. Yay! And since we're speaking about likes, don't forget to press like on this video and subscribe also if you want to get more content like this. The next steps, I have already done 20 more affirmations up front, but if I release them in a row, yeah, so this is my dog. This is my dog. What are you doing? Yeah, sorry for that. So I want to release 5 of the same time, so it will be more 20 days, just to see if like YouTube algorithm, the goal is to see if algorithm detects it or those videos similarly perform, or it is something random. Yeah, so I'm doing a lot of studying how to create these videos. Like this time today I'm trying new version of how I should film it. And yeah, sorry, this is my balcony. Actually, I'm in a balcony filming YouTube video. But yeah, this is the start. I don't have a room filled with no equipment and so on, but maybe in the future if this hobby will turn into something like more stable, I would say. Yeah, I would like to have some studio where I do all of this. What else? I start working on this project. I call this Wealth Stories, and here I'm planning to release a longer type 9 to 10 minutes videos that will be simple stories about everyday like people, and sprinkle these stories with some kind of insights, some kind of feelings, some kind of lessons. Yeah, and I will see how this will go. Hey guys, I remembered I didn't say thank you all for liking and subscribing, so yeah, thanks, and one spark at a time. See you next time.